Hello. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to update a listener status through an API call. We have previous videos, what we've created, to allow us to get the listener ID and how to query the listener status. But now we're going to perform an update and query it afterwards to confirm it's worked. More information on this can be found by searching our help documentation for the title Change Listener Status Operation, which should help you get your way through this. So as you see here for this test, I have two listeners live on my test cloud. The documentation found is just here. So in here, it gives us a REST-ish query, which we need to provide an account ID followed by any listener ID that we want to pause. So if we go back to Postman, here we have our post with this is my my account ID, which is set in the middle here. And then the authorization is as normal, which is your integration username and integration password. And then the body is these three lines here. So you need the change listener status request, followed by your listener ID, which is the one we need to find from our query, and followed by your container ID, which is your Atom ID. And then you need an action for pause, restart, start, etc. So for this situation, we're going to go through it from start to finish. We're going to query the listener token first to get our new token. So this is our new token. We're going to go to the listener status page query here and drop this in here for a query. This will then return our two listener IDs. One of these listener IDs, for example, is the top one here, which is currently status as listening. We're going to pop this one into here, which goes in our listener ID section here. And the action is pause. So what we're going to do is we're just going to send that request, send that post. You'll get a 202 accepted and no body returned. And then with that, we're going to go back over to our Boomi Atom management. We're going to give this a refresh, a full page refresh, either or. And we should see here that one of our listeners has now paused. There you go.